Welcome to JZ Graphics. In this video, I will teach you how to create modern 3D clipping mask poster design in Adobe Illustrator. So, let's get it started. First, create a new file with these dimensions. Go to the Type tool, and type your text. Select all, and I am using Metropolis black font. And change its case to upper. Then, open the character panel, and follow my text settings. Right-click on it and choose Create Outlines. And do the center align. Go to the Object menu, Compound Path and Make, or press Ctrl+8. And apply the color to it. Go to the File menu, Place, select your image, and click on Place. Adjust its size. Right-click, arrange and then send it back. Hold Shift key, select both. Then go to the Object menu, Clipping Mask and Make, or press Ctrl+7. Select the Direct Selection tool, and adjust its image placement. Double-click on it, select the image, go to the Edit menu, and click on Copy. And then paste in front. And decrease its opacity to 40%. Go to the object, and lock the image. Go to the Pen tool, and apply the color to it. And fill it to the empty places between the text. Then change its outline to fill. Go to the Object menu, and unlock the background. And do the opacity to 100%. Select both, and make Clipping Mask. Go to the Rectangle tool, and click once. Add the artboard dimensions to it. Apply the color to it, and do the center align. Then send it to back. Now, go to the Effect menu, Texture and then Texturizer. Follow my settings. and hit OK. Go to the Type tool, and type other text. Follow my other text settings. And it's done. If you have any questions, you can ask in the comment section. Subscribe to my channel, and hit the bell icon for more updates.